Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to J.P.BBQ. Today we are gonna smoke some spare ribs in our Masterbuilt smoker. So stay tuned and I'll show you how we turn these spare ribs into J.P.Licious ribs. Check it out. So here's how we're gonna get our spare ribs seasoned up. We're gonna be using our J.P.Licious barbecue rub with a base layer of our J.P.AP all-purpose. And now time for the J.P.Licious. And there we go. That's what they look like. We're gonna get them back in the refrigerator, let them absorb this seasoning, and we'll get this Masterbuilt fired up, and we're gonna do the 3-2-1 method on these spare ribs. This is how we're gonna set up our Masterbuilt. Turn it on, set the temperature for 275, and we're gonna set the time for 6 hours. Once this comes up to temp, we'll be ready to put our ribs in here. We're gonna be using some apple cider vinegar inside of our cabinet here. Apple cider vinegar will give it that added moisture to our ribs. Apple wood is our preferred choice of wood. Anytime I make spare ribs, you can't go wrong with apple wood. In this case, we're just using apple chips. They go in here in this hopper, slide right in there, and all you gotta do is give them a little turn, and they drop onto the heating element. Or actually, they drop onto a tray that's on top of the heating element, and this will give us our added wood flavor. Look at these bad boys. Do those look nice or what? So, take a look at these spare ribs, see what they're looking like. Maybe spritz them a little bit. Oh wow, look at that. They're taking on a very, very nice color. See if I can get you guys a little bit closer. Man, them ribs look fantastic. Time to get these ribs wrapped up, guys. Let me get them out of there. They've taken a really nice color. I'm gonna spritz it down with a little bit more of our juice. And on top of that, we're gonna use our J.P.Licious sauce. Let's get this sauce on here. I'm gonna double wrap it just in case. Hate for one of the ribs to cut through the foil and all the juices leak out, but that's really about it. Put it back in the smoker for a couple more hours and let it get tenderized, and hopefully we have us some nice J.P.Licious ribs here in a couple hours. Time to get these J.P.Licious ribs out of the Masterbuilt, get them unwrapped and get them back in there. Let's check them out, see what they look like. Wow, they are super flexible and tender. Oh wow, look at that. Look at that bone pulled back on it. The J.P.Licious sauce got all absorbed inside of these spare ribs. Time to get them back in there. I just hope they don't fall apart on me. Woo! Oh, look at that. The bone fell off. We're good to go, guys. We're gonna leave those things in there for about another 30-40 minutes, and they'll be ready to cut up in that time. You guys stay tuned. I'll show you what these spare ribs, J.P.Licious style, come out. Hey guys, it's time to get these J.P.Licious ribs out of our Masterbuilt. Let's take a look at them, see what they look like. Man, look at this. They are looking absolutely beautiful. Look at the bone, how the bone is just pulled back on it. Yeah, you know these ribs are done when it's crackling like this, and you can almost pull these bones out. These ribs are done, guys. It's time to get them glazed up, chopped up, and feed the family. Oh wow. You want to talk about super tender? Let me get these bad boys. Well, maybe I don't even need to go that high. look at that. They just fall apart. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Let me flip these ribs over. That way I can get a nice cut in between the bones. Nice cut right there. Another nice cut. These are going to be some fabulous ribs. They are very, very tender. Oh yeah. We're gonna take a bite out of one of these right here in the middle and see what it's all about. Look at this. I don't know about you guys, but that's my kind of rib right there. See the juices? Look at that. Oh my goodness. Let's take a bite. Oh wow. Look at that. Just ripped it right off the bone. Guys, it does not get any better than this. Oh my goodness. Oh. Whew. That J.P.Licious sauce with these ribs and that J.P.Licious rub, outstanding, guys. You know, it's a perfect combination for some spare ribs. Appreciate you guys watching my video on how to make these J.P.Licious ribs. Please consider subscribing and click on the bell to be notified on some upcoming videos. Also, feel free to share this video with your friends. If you're interested in any of the equipment that I'm using, down in the description below, I have some Amazon affiliate links. Feel free to click on them and it'll help support this channel. But besides that, guys, I'm gonna finish eating these ribs, feed the family, and we're gonna call it good. I appreciate you guys very much. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you on the next cookout.